Okay, this is lesson 6 of unit 8. And in this lesson, we are going to talk about electrolytic cells. And electrolytic cells, a power supply, forces a non-spontaneous flow of electrons. Okay, so one of the main attributes of an electrolytic cell is the power supply, which here is a battery. And what that does is that forces the electrons from the anode, which here would be the solid silver, okay, towards the positive pole in the power supply. So the electrons are going this way here. And then also forces the electrons away from the negative pole in the power supply, forcing the electrons down here. Okay, and so this is a non-spontaneous occurrence. This wouldn't happen unless the power supply was here to force this to occur. And so we are losing electrons from this side. So this would be our anode. And we know this because loss of electrons is oxidation, and oxidation occurs at the anode. Okay. And then if this side's gaining electrons, then this is our cathode. And we know this because our gain of electrons is reduction. Okay, and there's a couple memory devices you can use to remember this. LEO, L-E-O, says GER, G-E-R. So loss of electrons is oxidation, gain of electrons is reduction, and also the red cat, reduction occurs at the cathode. So red cat. Okay. All right. So now what an electrolytic cell does is it converts electrical energy to chemical energy. So converts electrical energy to chemical energy. Okay, and so on this side, since our solid silver is losing electrons, it's going to form then Ag plus ions that are aqueous in solution. Okay, and so this is actually going to cause the silver to dissolve, making the actual size of our electrode here smaller. Our anode smaller. Okay, and so we can write a half reaction for this. We have Ag solid, and it's becoming Ag aqueous. And this is happening because it's losing one electron. And what happens here as a result of this is the atoms form ions, decreasing the mass of the anode. So the atoms form ions, decreasing the mass of the electrode. Okay. Now on the other side, after we have these dissolved silver ions, they're going to actually be attracted to the negative charge on the, and here it's a key, but it could be anything. And when they attach to the key, they're going to gain an electron and become solid silver. And so what you'll notice is a silver film would begin to form around this key. This is how you can silver plate something. Okay. So on this side of the equation, we have Ag aqueous ions, or silver aqueous ions, gaining an electron and becoming silver solid atoms. And as a result of this, the ions form atoms, increasing the mass of the cathode. Okay. And so that is lesson 6 on electrolytic cells.